Burn fat when you sleep. 7 things you can do to burn fat while sleeping. Everybody knows that burning fat involves both diet and exercise. But did you know that you could also burn fat while sleeping? There are things you can do throughout the day to prime your body for better fat-burning capability so that you can get in shape even as you are catching your Z's. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. To burn fat and lose weight while you sleep, do these 7 things as regularly as you can. 1. Engage in strength training. As early as the 1980s, there were conclusive studies on the effect of strength training on a person's metabolism. The one published by the Journal of Applied Physiology in 1985 showed that engaging in a heavy resistance strength training program enables you to continue burning fat even hours after exercise. So if you're exercising regularly, make sure you add some strength training to your daily exercise regimen. 2. Eat plenty of protein. According to a study published by Obesity Facts in 2017, a high-protein diet enables you to lose more weight and reduce the risk of obesity. Consuming more protein throughout the day will also boost your metabolism and, consequently, help you reduce your waist circumference and overall body fat percentage, even while you sleep. 3. Keep your dinner small. It's essential that you have already digested your dinner before you go to bed so your body can focus on repairing itself from your daily stresses and burning excess fat. To ensure this, it helps to keep your dinner small and schedule it for at least 2 hours before bedtime. 4. Avoid snacking after dinner. Midnight snacking is one of the worst things you can do if you're trying to lose weight. This will not only keep you from burning fat, but it is also a sure way to gain it. So do your best to curb your nighttime snacks. If you must take something, try some tea. 5. Drink herbal tea before bed. According to a study review published by Molecules in 2018, drinking tea is especially useful in weight loss because it improves gut health and boosts fat metabolism. However, it is best to avoid caffeinated teas before sleeping, so it's better to stick with herbal teas and tisanes as you prepare for bed. Based on the results of a 2014 study published by PLOS ONE, Rooibos tea should be your best option for burning fat while sleeping. 6. Keep your bedroom cold. In 2014, the Diabetes Journal by the American Diabetes Association published a study that demonstrated how simply lowering your bedroom's temperature can help you lose fat while you sleep. Researchers found that 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 degrees Celsius produces the best results. 7. Turn off all lights. Sleeping in complete darkness helps you lose fat and reduce your risk for obesity, and that was the result of a study published by the American Journal of Epidemiology in 2014. Instead of sleeping with a nightlight, keep the lights off and make sure the curtains are drawn. If you need to, use a sleep mask to block out all light. These 7 things you can do to burn fat while sleeping are all backed by research, and there's countless anecdotal evidence to support them. Try them all to achieve your best shape yet, as well as improve the quality of your sleep. Over time, this won't just lead to a healthier body, but also better mental and emotional well-being. Following our study references we used to create this video to start you on your own path of research. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.